Oats smoothie for dinner. Today I will share oats dinner smoothie for weight loss. 3 tablespoon rolled oats. Add water and soak for 15 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel. After 15 minutes, wash it well. 10 almonds. Please press the like button. 2 dates. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon flexseeds. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 200 milliliters water. If you like my video, please like, comment and share with your family and friends. Take a blender and put all the ingredients. Blend all the ingredients very well. Pour into a glass. Chopped almonds. Cinnamon powder. Flax seeds.